Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn and write essay on Children's Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is Children's Day is a special day celebrated to honor children. Second line is in India, we celebrate it on 14th November every year. Third line is it is the birthday of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Fourth line is he loved children very much. Fifth line is that is why this day is dedicated for children. Sixth line is it is a day when we remember that children are the future of our country. Seventh line is we should take good care of them. Eighth line is we must provide them with education. Ninth line is we should protect them from harm. Last line is it is a day to understand their hopes and fears and encourage them to follow their dreams.